Hello everybody, this is a tutorial video, and as you can see, I'm in Undertale, apparently, on my Android device. You need to download Aptoid and Google if you want to download Undertale, as you can see, with the gamepad. Anyways, this is a tutorial because when you are in Waterfalls and you meet this, there's a bridge after a bridge. So, you see this bridge, so let me show you. So if you go here, and then will of course catch you. There, she's trying to catch us, of course. So there she is, and we're trying to avoid her spikes, and trying to not hit it, or actually it will actually bring you into a fight, and then there's no way you're gonna fight those. So what you want to do is let Undyne follow you. So there's a little bridge with us. Like she's now basically there with me. So you want to go over here. So Undyne needs to follow you. There. So she needs to follow you. And make sure you need to go the right way, or else you're gonna end up in the wrong way. Okay, I almost messed up. Go! You can do it! Believe! Believe! Oh god, I'm getting so worried right now. So you want to go over there. Okay, so what you want to do, there's a big square, so you keep on going to the edge. And make, like, just don't die, or otherwise you're just gonna lose all your progress. So you need to make it quick. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna reach a dead end, and then when you just try to go back, and then we're gonna be there. She will cut you off, and then you're gonna like enter a new area. So we're meeting Undyne. P.S. I have a little something to tell you. I'm going to do a Let's Play of Undertale in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna do a Let's Play of the whole game and get the pacifist ending. That's if I could. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna let you hear this, and I'm just gonna end the video. It sounds like it came over from here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Oh yeah, huh? That's a nice name. My name is... Aya is actually my real name. Yep, Aya is actually my real name. So yeah, guys, that is a tutorial of how to get the waterfall with Undyne, and I hope you have a good day.